Hi, George from Digital High Road here. I just want to welcome you to my channel. My channel has been designed and set up to help people building their online internet marketing business, whatever that may look like and whatever in their mind they're trying to build. I'm here to try to help you. I also want to let you know that I am a senior, obviously. If you look at me, I'm older and creaky, and I don't get around as easy as I used to. I get tired. I need to take naps. And, well, whatever the perception is the younger people have of older people, a lot of it is true. A lot of it isn't true. But what I wanted to talk to you about is welcome to my channel. I welcome seniors, people over 60 that may be computer challenged, maybe don't even understand the terminology that we're talking about. I want to let you know that everything I do in my videos is trying to explain in simplest terms older people that they can build a business of their own. Secondly, they can do it. Third, there is no race to get it done. You can do it at your pace, because our pace obviously isn't what the pace would have been from 20 years ago. Keeping that and those thoughts in mind, I just want to let you know that I'm here to help you out. Please leave comments or write to me personally. I'll respond, get back to you. We're here to help out especially the seniors, people over 60, over 55, whatever your age might be. Age is irrelevant. The lack of computer skills and lack of background is probably the more relevant thing that we're looking at. But I want to make videos that are simple. We break down things in small chunks, and I'm here for you to help you out in your struggle to make and create the income that you want and need right now to help out with your pension or your retirement funding, so that you can continue to have a lifestyle that was maybe close to what you had while you were working a full-time job. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. We appreciate you, and we hope you stick around and see value in our channel and our videos. Thank you. So long.